Are you feeling lost when it comes to advertising on Amazon? Let's break down the basics of how it works. PPC, clear and simple. So Amazon Ads uses a pay-per-click model. This means you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Therefore, your ad could be shown to 1 million people, but if only one person clicks, then you only pay once for that single click. This is different from the typical social media ads because shoppers on Amazon are there to buy. They're not just looking at what their mate's been up to on holiday. So here's how it works. Number 1, you choose a search term you want to advertise for. Number 2, you set a bid. This is the maximum amount you're prepared to pay for a single click on that advert. 3, when someone types in and searches for your term on Amazon, Amazon's going to run an auction in the background, and if your bid wins, it's going to be shown to the potential customer. 4, if a customer then sees your ad and decides to click, you then pay for that single click. So let's say I bid 50 pence under the search term glass cleaner. If someone sees my ad, decides to click, I then get charged 50p. As you can imagine, this is where conversion rate becomes extremely important. And once you realize advertising on Amazon is all about managing clicks and conversions, not just spending more money, you can start off advertising on search terms where there is the highest likelihood that a customer is going to click and buy. So let's take this glass cleaner for example. To maximize the chance of a click to buy, instead of just advertising on the search term glass cleaner, what I might actually want to do is advertise on the search term car window glass cleaner spray, as this exactly describes the product that I'm selling, and therefore if someone's looking to buy this sort of product, there's going to be a higher chance that that click is going to convert into a sale. So these long tail keywords are generally less competitive, more budget friendly, and convert better. Because let's be logical, if someone's searching for a car glass cleaner spray, then you can guess that you're in a pretty good position to convert that customer into a sale. So advertising on terms like this, which exactly describe the product you're selling, are a great place to start, especially if you're only working with a small advertising budget. So give these a go. Set a couple of clear, focused keywords that exactly describe the product you're selling. Set a small budget, £5–10, track the results, and you might just be surprised how far some of these small, low budget campaigns can take you. And remember, if you need any additional help, I run Optimize e-commerce, which is an Amazon agency. We can take care of absolutely everything for you. Or alternatively, we can work with you on a consultation level to guide you on the right path to more sales and more profitability. So follow for more, hit subscribe, and see you soon.